Hi, lovely people. How's your day going? Mine's doing great because I had to make sure I was recording because I started the video and I wasn't recording. Mine's doing great because I'm opening up a newer subscription. Well, it's not a new subscription. I used to get this when I first started my channel, like literally February 22nd that just passed was my 2-year anniversary, which that reminds me I still have a giveaway going on to March 10th. So make sure that you check it out. I'll leave it down below. You just have to be subscribed to the channel. But when I first started this, I was into like makeup, skincare, and I used to get this box. This is the test tube beauty box. And I really liked it, but then I started to get, I was new to all these subscriptions, so I started getting all these subscriptions that I wasn't using a lot of the products, so I canceled a few subscriptions and I was looking for other ones, and I'm like, you know, I really did like this subscription. So this is the test tube beauty box. It comes like this. And let me show you the packaging. The packaging is so cute. It never used to look like this. So it doesn't come like it comes just like this, you know. I don't know what's in here. I didn't look to see what's in there. I don't even know if they showed the spoilers. I'm not sure if this is the February. I know it's like an every other month box. This is $29.95, which you're guaranteed to get over $150 worth of value, which I love that. But the only thing I don't like, you pay for shipping, and the shipping is $8.95. So you're paying like almost $36 for this because of the shipping. So we shall see, but you figure if it's almost $40, but you get over $150 worth of stuff, then it might be worth it. We will see together. I do not know what's in here, so let's just see. All right, so it comes in this box, and I guess not everything fit in here, so this was out of the box, and then you had this little, you have this pamphlet. What else is in here? And then you have this wine $45 little gift card. All right, so let's just see. All right. Does it have prices on here? I think, yeah, it has price. It tells you everything is. So let's just start with what it was on, didn't fit inside. And this is turmeric cucumber peel off mask. And I love turmeric products. So let me open it up and see. Sometimes the boxes look big, but then when you open it up, oh, okay, it is a decent size right there. And it's a peel-off mask, and I love peel-off masks. Something about just peeling it off, I don't know. It's kind of like ASMR, like some people like the ASMR. All right, let's see where that puppy is. All right, so this is $29.90, so $30 right there. This is by Rankin Beauty. And what is it? It is a pore clearing mask, best suited for dry or combination skin. I do have combination skin. When used weekly, this peel-off treatment works to soothe skin, tighten pores, and polish the top layer of skin. How to use: apply evenly over the entire face, avoiding the eye area. Allow 15 to 25 minutes to dry, then gently peel off, beginning on both sides. So I'm definitely excited for that. Let me put this back in there. All right. So now, before when I used to get it, it used to come in like a different shaped box. I love that it comes in this. I think the packaging is so cute. All right, so let's, oh, and it's filled to the top. So that's good. Better be for almost $40. All right, I'm just gonna pull out the first thing that I, see. So let me move this. All right, so this is from Grande Lips. This is a sugar plum gloss. So these are usually like close to $30, I think. I don't know. Let's see. Let's see where it's at. All right, where you be? Lip gloss. Where is it? Okay, so this is $27, and it's a hydrating lip plumper in the shade Sugar Plum. Ooh, that's a pretty color. Yes, it is. All right, so this is what they look like, and then you would just pump it up. Pump it up. You guys remember that song in like the 90s, I think it was? Okay, come on. Okay, here it comes. All right. Oh, that's pretty. Let me pump it up one more time. That's really pretty. And it's a lip gloss, but oh my God, that's gorgeous. That is so pretty. All right. I'm excited already. That almost pays for the whole box. All right, so then this little thingy-majiggy, what is this? Baby Boo Boo Bomb. Okay. All right. So let's see. Sometimes the packaging. Can you guys see that? I'm like far away from the camera today. You guys can read that. Boo Boo Bomb. What the heck is Boo Boo Bomb? What is it? And it is VMV Hypoallergenics Grandma Mini Boo Boo Bomb. What is it? It is I'm not just saying that's what it says. It says what it is. Okay. A do everything skin saver and make it better salve. It's affectionately has garnered a cult following among doctor. Okay. What is it? It's chapped lips. Okay. So it's just like a you know, like a lip balm. So that's good. Can you guys see the packaging? Okay. And this is $17. All right. The next thing we got here is from Amore Pacific Youth. Okay. What a cream and mask. Oh, so remember, this is more geared to skincare, and it does have some makeup products, but majority of the time it will be skincare. So if you're looking for just like all beauty, but like all makeup, this wouldn't be for you. All right. So that's what it looks like right there. If you guys can see. Do I have it upside down? Yes, I do, I think. Come on. All right, let's see where this is and see what it says. All right, so this would be what, $200. This is $200. No, this has to be a sample size. Where to buy? Sephora.com for $200. What it is, a 2-in-1 whip formula. Use it as a cream or an overnight mask that boosts skin's radiance, hydration, and ability to protect itself by the natural potent ingredients. How to use: gently apply to entire face and allow it to absorb. To use it as a sleeping mask, apply twice the amount and rinse it off lukewarm water the next morning. So this definitely has to be a sample, but let's see how much you get in here. For it to be a $200 product and get a sample, it's great. And it's filled up to the top. I mean, you only get a small amount, but at least it is filled up to the top. So that's definitely exciting. The only problem is if I like it, I don't think I can afford or will pay $200. All right. The next thing we got is a shower gel from Essential Elements right there. And that's good that it comes in here so that way if it leaks. All right, let's read up on that. So this would be $29. And what it is, it's you know, it's a shower experience, pure botanicals, gently cleanse and hydrate skin while okay, you know, it has citrus notes and therapeutic boost to your shower. And you know how I don't have to read how to use it, you know, so that's exciting. Then, oh, we have a Sunday Riley, and this is a full size, I believe. This is a retinoid serum. We have a Sunday Riley in here. All right, well, let me. That's exciting. So this is $85. I believe this is full size. This is full size. So what it is, a potent retinoid meets botanical blend that delivers all of the complexion, better and benefits of a traditional vitamin A formula. Think skin clarity and lessen lines and wrinkles without irritation. How to use: apply 1 to 2 pumps to clean dry skin as a nighttime treatment. I mean, I can't believe it. This right here, I'm like, I'm stuttering. This is probably one of the best skincare boxes. I used to like it before, but they really stepped it up. All right, so this is a rose petal mist, organic, from Pervari. All right, let's see. All right, so this would be $18. It is an organic mist designed to hydrate, reduce redness, control oil production, and brighten tone, and with help with nutrient. Okay, so you just like, you know, you just spray it on your face and stuff. It's just a rose petal mist, which is good. All right, we have 2 more products. These look like sample sizes. So this is from Schwash. I don't know how to pronounce that name. I know it's a really good brand. I do know that. It's like an expensive brand. But I don't know how to pronounce it. All right. And full size would be $63. This is a skin softening lotions that battles dryness and uneven texture using herbal ingredients. How to use after cleansing and toning skin. Apply gently and evenly across entire face. So that's good. You get to try it out. And I'm looking on the lights, and it's probably, let's see, it's probably about up to here. So it's almost filled to the top. So you get a couple uses to see, you know, what you think of it. And last but not least is, what is this? Miracle Fruit Seed Oil Treatment right there. And let's see where that's at. All right, so full size would be $50. And this is clinically proven to naturally condition, protect, strengthen, and repair strands to each use. This featherate oil is nothing short of a miracle worker for damaged or weakened hair. Okay, so this is for your hair. Apply a small amount evenly throughout damp or dry hairstyle as usual. I don't know if this is full size or not. I can't read to see what it says, but I'm not sure because it's hair oil, so I don't know. But if it's full size or if it's not, the full size would be $50. So I think this is a great box. Like, I will definitely keep getting this box. I love it. I mean, we get a full size that's worth $85. I love it. We did get a little makeup in here. So like I said, it's more like hair care, skin care. You get some makeup, but it's more for skin care. If you're looking for a great box, this is definitely it. Like, I am definitely pleasantly surprised. Let me know in the comments, what do you think of it? Do you think it's too expensive? I don't like the fact that you pay so much in shipping. That I don't like. I have to be honest. But let me know what you think of this box. Would you like me to continue getting this box? Would you like to see this on my channel? Let me know all the tea. Have you ever heard of this subscription before? Like I said, I used to get it. If you want to go back to my very first few videos, oh my God, I cringe every time I say that. I recommend my old videos. You will see that I used to get it before, but I haven't got it for about a year and a half. So they definitely stepped up the game. Let's just see what next month brings, if it's still as good as it is this month. All right, guys, like I said, this is I'm lying. This is an every other month subscription, which is pretty good, because if it's every month, it's so much skincare. A lot of it would go to waste. So I think this is like February and March box. So I think the next one would be April, I believe. So like I said, comment down below. Let me know what you think. Let me know all the tea. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up. It does help me out. Make sure you comment. Don't forget to enter the giveaway that ends March 10th. I love you guys, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.